In this lesson, we'll review improving the sentence problem. It's part of the writing multiple choice. We're on page 431. Question 14, the final question in the final section, and this is a difficult problem. It's a level 5. Acquaintances of Alexei have commented that he is at once annoying because of his unpredictability, but his imagination is still delight. And I just noticed I forgot to underline the version we're supposed to correct, so I'll just do this right now. We have to find the correct version of this underlined section here. If you followed these lessons, I've said repeatedly that whenever you have two characteristics listed, you've got to join them with an and. Now, sometimes there could be contrast and you'll need a but. Sometimes there'll be a special verb that takes a different preposition. But the one rule that you can never violate, even if you're not sure of the conjunction or the preposition, parallel structure. So here we've got two characteristics of Alexa. We have at once. So the first one is not underlined. We know it's correct. And I would just get in the habit of looking for the structure. He is at once. We've got annoying. So that's an adjective. And then we have this phrase because of his unpredictability. So this is given. We know it's correct. And I'm just focusing. Now, I think some students might think there's a but here because there's contrast. And I'm just going to tell you, at once sort of implies that there is contrast, and you actually join them with an and. So this is a tough question. So maybe you're looking for a but, and you're not sure. But the one way to find this, to get the right answer, if you're not sure how to join the two, is this parallel structure. So we can just predict, without even looking at the choices, they're listed below. But we know this is not parallel. We need that adjective, and then we have because of his. So this is not parallel. You can almost predict it. So you're going to have to turn it around and say, well, we need an adjective, so we're going to use delightful. Why is he delightful? You need that same phrase, because of his imagination. So if you look at the choices, the only one that has this parallel structure with this adjective and this phrase because of his is E. And E joins them with a conjunction and. Again, you may not have known that, but you can always get the right choice by finding parallel structure. And so the answer here is E. At once, a little bit tricky, but it actually implies there's contrast. So we just need an and to list the two, but the same parallel structure in both. All right, the answer is E. See you next time. Thanks for watching.